Imagine a world full of exciting adventures and endless places to explore. What if I told you that even if you have diabetes, you can travel the world confidently and without worries? Come along with me on a journey where I'll share helpful tips and useful insights to help you travel safely with diabetes. Are you ready to join me on this amazing adventure while taking care of your health? Hello, everyone. Welcome to today's video, where we unravel the mysteries of traveling with diabetes. Whether you're planning a weekend getaway or a globe-trotting expedition, navigating the intricacies of diabetes management while on the move can be daunting. But fear not. With the right knowledge and preparation, you can embark on your travels with confidence and peace of mind. Imagine this. You're exploring exotic landscapes, immersing yourself in vibrant cultures, and creating memories that will last a lifetime. But amidst the excitement, diabetes lurks as a potential obstacle. What if I told you that with careful planning and a few insider tips, you can turn your travel dreams into reality, regardless of your diabetes diagnosis? Get ready to unlock the secrets to safe and enjoyable travels with diabetes. Are you prepared to venture forth into uncharted territories while safeguarding your health? Now let us dive into the title of the video and discuss about tips for traveling safely with diabetes. 1. Plan ahead. The key to successful travel with diabetes lies in meticulous planning. Research your destination thoroughly, including available medical facilities, local cuisine, and climate conditions. Plan your itinerary with diabetes management in mind, allowing for regular meal times, medication schedules, and rest breaks. Traveling with diabetes requires careful planning to ensure a safe and enjoyable journey. Here's a detailed explanation of the first tip: plan ahead. Number 1. Gather necessary supplies. Before embarking on your trip, ensure you have an ample supply of diabetes-related supplies, such as insulin, syringes or insulin pens, blood glucose monitoring devices, test strips, lancets, glucose tablets or gel, and any medications you may need. Make a checklist to ensure you don't forget anything crucial. Number 2. Consult with your healthcare provider. Schedule an appointment with your healthcare provider well in advance of your trip. Discuss your travel plans and make necessary adjustments to your diabetes management regimen. Your healthcare provider can offer valuable insights and recommendations tailored to your specific needs, such as adjusting insulin doses to accommodate changes in time zones or meal schedules. Number 3. Obtain necessary documentation. Depending on your destination, you may need to carry certain documentation related to your diabetes and medical supplies. This may include a letter from your healthcare provider explaining your condition and the need for insulin and other medications, as well as prescriptions for your medications and supplies. Familiarize yourself with the requirements of airlines and transportation authorities regarding the transportation of medical supplies. Number 4. Research your destination. Take the time to research your destination thoroughly, especially if you are traveling to a foreign country. Familiarize yourself with the local healthcare system, including the availability of medical facilities, pharmacies, and emergency services. Identify nearby hospitals or clinics that specialize in diabetes care in case of emergencies. Number 5. Stay hydrated and eat regularly. Maintain good hydration and adhere to regular meal times to help stabilize your blood sugar levels during travel. Carry snacks such as nuts, fruits, or granola bars to prevent hyperglycemia, low blood sugar, during long flights or bus rides. Be mindful of your carbohydrate intake and aim for balanced meals and snacks throughout your journey. Number 6. Stay active. Incorporate physical activity into your travel itinerary to help regulate your blood sugar levels and promote overall well-being. Take short walks during layovers or breaks, stretch your legs during long flights, and explore your destination on foot whenever possible. Remember to monitor your blood sugar levels closely during periods of increased activity and adjust your diabetes management plan accordingly. 2. Pack wisely. When it comes to packing for your journey, prioritize your diabetes essentials. Make a checklist of medications, glucose monitoring supplies, insulin, syringes or insulin pens, glucagon emergency kit, snacks, and medical identification. Carry extra supplies to account for unexpected delays or emergencies. Packing wisely for your journey is paramount, especially when managing diabetes. It's essential to prioritize your diabetes essentials to ensure a safe and smooth travel experience. Here's a detailed guide on how to pack effectively. Number 1. Create a checklist. Start by making a comprehensive checklist of all the diabetes-related items you'll need for your trip. Include medications, glucose monitoring supplies, insulin, syringes or insulin pens, a glucagon emergency kit, snacks, and medical identification. Number 2. Medications. Gather all your necessary medications and ensure you have an ample supply to last the duration of your journey. Double-check the expiration dates and refill prescriptions if needed. It's advisable to carry both prescription and over-the-counter medications for any unforeseen health issues. Number 3. Glucose monitoring supplies. Don't forget to pack your glucose meter, test strips, lancets, and a backup meter if available. Check that your meter is in good working condition and that you have enough supplies to monitor your blood sugar levels regularly throughout your trip. Number 4. Insulin and administration tools. If you require insulin injections, pack an adequate supply of insulin vials or pens based on your prescribed dosage. Remember to bring along syringes or insulin pens, alcohol swabs for sterilization, and a sharps disposal container to safely discard used needles. Number 5. Glucagon emergency kit. A glucagon emergency kit is a crucial life-saving tool in the event of severe hyperglycemia. Ensure you have a glucagon kit with you at all times and instruct your travel companions on how to administer it in case of an emergency. Number 6. Snacks. Pack a variety of snacks that are rich in complex carbohydrates and protein to help stabilize your blood sugar levels during travel. Opt for portable options like nuts, fruit, granola bars, or crackers to keep your energy levels steady throughout the journey. Number 7. Medical identification. Wear a medical identification bracelet or necklace that clearly indicates you have diabetes. This will alert medical personnel to your condition in case of an emergency and provide crucial information about your health needs. Number 8. Extra supplies. It's always wise to carry extra supplies of medications, glucose monitoring equipment, and insulin to account for unexpected delays, loss, or damage during your trip. Having backup supplies ensures you're prepared for any situation that may arise while traveling. By following these packing guidelines and ensuring you have all the necessary diabetes essentials on hand, you can embark on your journey with confidence and peace of mind. Remember to keep your diabetes supplies easily accessible throughout your travels and inform your travel companions about your condition and emergency protocols. With proper preparation and foresight, you can enjoy a safe and fulfilling travel experience while effectively managing your diabetes. 3. Keep medications handy. Ensuring easy access to your diabetes medications and supplies is paramount for a smooth and stress-free travel experience. Here's an expanded explanation of how to keep your medications handy while on the go. Number 1. Accessibility is key. Make sure that your diabetes medications and supplies are readily accessible at all times during your travels. Store them in a designated compartment of your carry-on bag or a separate travel pouch that you can easily reach whenever needed. Number 2. Carry-on bag strategy. Opt to pack your diabetes medications and supplies in your carry-on bag rather than in checked luggage. This reduces the risk of loss or damage during transit and ensures that you have immediate access to your essentials upon arrival at your destination. Number 3. Protecting insulin. If you use insulin, it's crucial to keep it refrigerated as per the manufacturer's recommendations to maintain its potency and effectiveness. During travel, utilize insulated travel bags or cooling packs to keep insulin at the appropriate temperature, especially if you'll be exposed to high temperatures or long travel durations. Number 4. Insulated travel bags. Invest in insulated travel bags specifically designed to keep insulin and other temperature-sensitive medications cool during transit. These bags are equipped with insulated compartments and cooling packs that help regulate temperature and prevent insulin from spoiling. Number 5. Cooling packs. Utilize reusable cooling packs or gel packs to keep insulin refrigerated while traveling. Simply freeze the cooling packs ahead of time and place them alongside your insulin vials or pens in the insulated travel bag. This helps maintain the required temperature range for insulin storage and ensures its efficacy throughout your journey. Number 6. Temperature considerations. Be mindful of temperature fluctuations during travel, especially if you're flying or visiting destinations with extreme weather conditions. Avoid exposing insulin to direct sunlight or high temperatures, and always store it in a cool, shaded area whenever possible. Number 7. Emergency preparedness. Pack extra supplies of insulin and diabetes medications in case of unexpected delays or extended stays. Having a backup supply ensures that you're well prepared to manage your diabetes even in challenging circumstances. By keeping your diabetes medications and supplies easily accessible and properly stored during your travels, you can navigate through your journey with confidence and peace of mind. Prioritize your health and well-being by implementing these strategies to safeguard your diabetes management regimen while on the move. 4. Stay hydrated. Hydration is crucial for individuals with diabetes, especially when traveling. Drink plenty of water throughout your journey to prevent dehydration and maintain stable blood sugar levels. Avoid sugary drinks and opt for water or unsweetened beverages instead. 5. Monitor blood sugar. Regularly, stay vigilant about monitoring your blood sugar levels while traveling. Changes in diet, activity levels, and time zones can affect your blood glucose levels. Carry a reliable glucose meter and test your blood sugar as directed by your healthcare provider. Adjust your insulin doses or treatment plan accordingly based on your readings. 6. Practice safe dining. Exploring local cuisine is one of the joys of travel, but it's essential to make informed choices when dining out with diabetes. Opt for balanced meals with a mix of carbohydrates, protein, and healthy fats. Be mindful of portion sizes and monitor your carbohydrate intake to avoid blood sugar spikes. Consider carrying snacks like nuts, seeds, or fruit for quick and convenient options. 7. Stay active. Incorporate physical activity into your travel itinerary to maintain optimal blood sugar control. Take advantage of opportunities for walking tours, hiking adventures, or swimming excursions. Stay active during long flights or road trips by stretching your legs and engaging in light exercises to improve circulation. 8. Prepare for emergencies. Despite careful planning, unforeseen emergencies can arise during travel. Familiarize yourself with local emergency services and healthcare facilities at your destination. Carry a diabetes emergency kit with essentials like fast-acting glucose, glucagon, and contact information for your healthcare provider. Wear medical identification jewelry indicating your diabetes status and emergency contact details. 9. Communicate with travel companions. Open and honest communication with your travel companions is essential for ensuring a safe and enjoyable journey. Educate them about your diabetes management needs, including symptoms of high or low blood sugar, and how they can assist in case of emergencies. Discuss contingency plans for unexpected situations and ensure everyone is prepared to handle diabetes-related challenges effectively. 10. Know your rights. Familiarize yourself with your rights as a traveler with diabetes, especially when navigating airport security screenings or public transportation. Carry a letter from your healthcare provider outlining your medical condition, necessary medications, and medical devices. Advocate for your needs with airport staff or transportation authorities to ensure a smooth travel experience. As we conclude our exploration of tips for traveling safely with diabetes, remember that with careful planning and proactive management, the world is yours to explore. Embrace the spirit of adventure while prioritizing your health and well-being every step of the way. Whether you're scaling mountain peaks, strolling through bustling markets, or lounging on sun-kissed beaches, let nothing deter you from experiencing the wonders of travel. Thank you for joining us on this enlightening journey through the realm of safe travel with diabetes. If you found these tips valuable, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. If you have any questions or additional tips for fellow travelers with diabetes, feel free to leave a comment below. Until next time, may your adventures be filled with excitement, discovery, and good health.